Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the accident detection and alert system. Okay, so this project will work on the real-time laptop camera. This is the user interface. User interface developed using Tkinter, that is Python inbuilt library. So if you click on the real-time detection button, then it will open the laptop front camera, and you have to show any picture, video or image. Then it will detect that there is accident or not. If there is any accident, then it will show in the red color, that is accident, or else it will show in the green color, okay, that is no accident. So this is the complete project developed using Python programming language, and the model is trained on the large dataset of images and videos. So I'm just giving different input. You can see, like in the real time, the accuracy might be bit low because like the laptop camera is not of good quality. So these type of projects we are developing related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. If you are searching any type of project, then you can contact us. Okay, or if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Yeah, just click on the exit button and press yes. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.